Hi everyone, we're going to do a very quick video on creating an E-Junkie account. And once you've created your account, when you log in, you'll see E-Junkie has made this very easy. So first, go to ejunkie.com, click Get Started. And by the way, you're going to be able to do this without giving a credit card. So first of all, as you can see, you just enter your email. And confirm your email. I'm sure this is something you've done many times before in different sites. And you'll see here it says get 30 for free, so you're getting a 30-day trial for free. At the end of the 30 days is when you can decide whether you want to keep paying, keep the service. Now you'll see here that tells me they're sending me an activation code. So of course go to your email inbox. Oops, that was the wrong email inbox. We'll go to the other one here, and you'll see it says activate your E-Junkie account. Very simple. They give you the activation code. We'll go back to Ejunkie, paste it in, and activate your account. And voila. Now this is what's amazing about Ejunkie is it's so easy to start selling. As I say here, in 3 easy steps, you can watch this video, or you can just go through one by one. It says here, tell us where buyers will pay you, tell us what you're selling, paste purchase buttons on your website. That's why I love Ejunkie. It's $5 a month, and you can get going with just 3 steps. So here I have my login email. I'll put my display name as my name. You could put your business name if you wanted to, whatever you wanted to do. You'll need a PayPal email. Do you have a PayPal account registered? If not, go register one. It takes about 2 minutes. Now, this is good enough for now, right? Because they're going to pay you via PayPal. If you wanted to, I see all these options. Where is... I don't see Stripe. On my other Ejunkie account, my main account, I have a Stripe option. I'm not seeing it. Okay. So if you wanted to, I recommend Stripe. Is what I use for some of my other businesses, but we won't go through that right now. Just want you to be aware that you can accept PayPal, and you can accept other credit card. You can accept other credit card systems if you want. Okay. Click Submit. So that's literally all you need for people to pay you. If you want the money to go through your PayPal account, and they can use their PayPal account, they can also use credit cards. Okay, so tell us what you're selling. Call it test product. This is interesting if you wanted buyers to be able to put in their own price. I don't. I'm just going to say this is a $99 product, US currency. You can see here if you're using Canadian dollars, British pound, if your PayPal account is from Australia or other countries, you can change that. Although I found it can be very useful to just charge in US dollars. That's what I do. Click this add sales tax VAT if you need to. I won't go into that right now. Generally speaking, I don't. You can click here if you want to require buyer's shipping address if you're going to send them something. Generally speaking, if you're going to just do digital products, you don't want to force people to put in their shipping address because it's going to lower the number of people that are willing to buy from you. This is single file download on a basic Ejunkie account. For a small product, you actually upload your files to Ejunkie, or you click this to redirect them, say, to a page where you could have the files if you wanted to. It's best to do single file download because that'll lower the amount of times people will try to cheat you or download, without paying, although people very rarely will do that. We'll just skip the send you product email for now, but if you had a special message, you could type in there. You could say, okay, thanks for buying. What I do now for some of my digital products that are downloads, I'll put in a download link. So just put, like, this isn't a real download link, but http:// website.com/download, something like that. So if you had your files on a website somewhere, You can put receive a copy of email sent to buyers. Maybe do that in the beginning just to see what the process is like. All right, bundle other products. So later on, when you have other products, you can click here and you could sell 2 or 3 products together as a bundle. All right, we're going to skip that for now. Thank you page, blah, 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 and just click submit. So they're saying congratulations on adding your first product. You can sell on your website or blog. You can sell on social media, etc., etc. And what I want to do, I want to get out of here. So how do I... Oh, there it is. Get rid of that. All right. So we're going to go... We want to get button codes, right? Because you want to be able to have a button so people can purchase. The easiest thing to do is the Buy Now button. All right. So I'm going to click that. I'm going to copy it. Now, you need a place to put your Buy Now button. You need a place to sell. So that could be your Wix account. It could be your blog, your website of some sort. You could even use this text link to put it on Facebook or send via email. What I'm going to do here, I'm going to log into one of my websites. I'll log into my main website, ryannagy.com. And I'm going to click New Post. Now remember, we had a product, I think I called it Test Product. So we'll put, imagine this is your website, and you're telling the world about your digital download, whatever it may be. Here is the sales description. And remember that code that we pasted, that ugly code? I'm just going to paste it right in there. So remember, just a moment ago, I copied this, and now I'm pasting it here. Now, I'm not going to publish this on my blog, but I'm going to click Preview. And you can see there it is. Somebody clicks this now, and they can buy your product. It's a little slow. My internet's a little bit slow. Now you see I can pay via my PayPal, E-Trade Bank, PayPal credits. So people will have all kinds of different ways of paying depending on what they're using. I'm not going to do that now, but I just wanted you to see the process. So my recommendation is to go to Ejunkie. Just remember what we just did. Go to Ejunkie. Click the Get Started. All right, you enter your email. You get the activation code, and you go through the process of creating your Ejunkie account, create your first product. First put in your PayPal email so you can get paid. Create a PayPal account if you need to. Create your first product, and then put it on a website somewhere, one of your websites, and go from there. Now, one thing I want to show you, many of you know that I have a lot of downloadable products, right? I have a lot of audio download products, those of you that know me. So I could go back to the product, right? It says go back to product. Now remember this thing, single file download that I clicked earlier? Now it says upload product file. So what happens here is Ejunkie will store your product, and they will deliver it for you. So the free plan has a fairly low, I think it's 50 megabytes, but you can't do much with 50 megabytes. You could probably do 1 or 2 audio downloads. For now, I'm just going to put up, whatever. It doesn't matter. I'm just going to upload this and say it's my product. So they're uploading that. Now imagine that this was your 60-minute session, your Feldenkrais session, your somatic session, whatever it is. Close that. Make sure to save, submit. It's always good to save. So now, if this was your product and you had it here, I just want to say again, somebody clicks the Buy Now, they purchase the product, the money goes to your PayPal account, and Ejunkie in the background will send them an email with a link to download your product. All right? Peace. So remember, one more time, Go to E-Junkie, click Get Started, and go through the process and see how it works for you. You want to get this in your behavior. You want to try it a few times. You know, once you get something down for E-Junkie, you can use it for, there's other services similar. There's Sendowl. I'll put a link down for Sendowl. There's so many out there, it's hard to list them all. I actually, E-Junkie is my secondary processor now. I'm kind of phasing out E-Junkie. I use Samcart because Samcart allows upsells and funnels, and it does courses and all kinds of cool things. But when you're just starting out, why not do something like E-Junkie that you can just pay $5 a month plus your, well, I think it's 2.9% or 3% something for PayPal. It's a great way to start to get the ball rolling. Okay, peace. Comments below if you have any questions. I'll do my best to answer them.